Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Today we are going to see this is for ICSE board standard 8 course. Today we are going to see lesson 2 solutions from question number 9 onwards. Okay, though this is an ICSE course, but you have to go through the introduction explanation of this lesson, which is same to NCERT syllabus. I have shared a link in the I-link above. Please go through that video first. Okay, let us start with question 9. Show that this expression, if you solve this expression, it becomes 1. The answer is 1 here. So now let us start with, now here you have to use the formula a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, that gives a cube minus b cube. So now you can see here, this is division here, so the power gets subtracted, so it becomes of the form a minus b and the bracket a square plus ab plus b square into a raised to b minus c, it becomes b square plus bc plus c square, and this is x raised to c minus a. So this becomes c square plus ca plus a square. Now this is of the form a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So for this you have to write the equation as, this is an expansion for the equation of a cube minus b cube. So in place of all this you have to write now x raised to a cube minus b cube into x raised to b cube minus c cube into x raised to c cube minus a cube. Now as you have done before, so you have to add all the powers because it is multiplication. So a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Now you can see they are having opposite powers, plus a minus a plus b minus b plus c minus c, that get cancelled. So it remains x raised to 0, hence it is 1. So that is proved, that is RHS. Question 10 is evaluate. Okay, so now bring the power inside the bracket, x raised to a into 1 upon ab upon x raised to b into 1 upon ab. Multiply the power outside the bracket to each of the term inside the bracket. X raised to b into 1 upon bc upon x raised to c into 1 upon bc into x raised to c into 1 upon ca upon x raised to a into 1 upon ca. Now here you can see the a get cancelled. So here a get cancelled, here b get cancelled, here also b, here c, and here c, and here a. Okay, so what is remaining now? So it is x raised to 1 upon b upon x raised to 1 upon a multiplied by x raised to 1 upon c upon x raised to 1 upon b into x raised to 1 upon a upon x raised to 1 upon c. Now again you can see all these are the same to the numerator and denominator. X raised to 1 by c get cancelled. X raised to 1 by a, x raised to 1 by a get cancelled. X raised to 1 by b to x raised to 1 by b get cancelled. So everything you get cancelled. So it becomes x raised to 0, that is 1. Okay. The next one is, it is 1 upon 1 plus x raised to a minus b. So this is in the subtraction form, that means it becomes division. So x raised to a upon x raised to b plus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to b upon x raised to a. Now take the LCM. So this becomes to the denominator x raised to b plus x raised to a upon x raised to a plus 1 upon x raised to a plus x raised to b upon x raised to a. Now it is denominator of denominator, so it will move up. So this becomes x raised to a upon x raised to b plus x raised to a, plus this will also move to 1, x raised to a upon, sorry, this is b here, this is x raised to b, this is x raised to a plus x raised to b, this one is x raised to a plus x raised to b. Now you can see the denominator is same, so you have to add the numerator. So this will become x raised to a plus x raised to b, and rearrange the denominator. You can write 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, it is one and the same. So x raised to a plus x raised to b. Now this get cancelled, this whole bracket get cancelled here, so it is 1. The next one is simplify. Okay, so this is y minus z, so ab raised to y upon ab raised to z, since subtraction means division, then bc raised to z upon bc raised to x into ca raised to x ca raised to x upon ca raised to y. Okay, so this becomes a raised to y, b raised to y upon a raised to z, b raised to z, multiply by b raised to z, c raised to z upon b raised to x, c raised to x, then c raised to x, a raised to x upon c raised to y into a raised to y. Okay, so now here you can see, so the thing that get cancelled, you can see here a raised to y get cancelled with a raised to y, then b raised to z you are not having, then c raised to x, c raised to x, and b raised to z get cancelled with b raised to z. So the remaining thing is a raised to x, b raised to y, and c raised to z, and in the denominator it is a raised to z, b raised to x, and c raised to y. So now the powers of the same base get subtract because it is division, so it becomes a raised to x minus z into b raised to y minus x into c raised to z minus y. So this is the answer. Okay, so now the next one is simplify. So this becomes x raised to 2n plus 3, and this is of the form a plus b and c plus d. So multiply the first term with each of the term inside the bracket. So it becomes x raised to 2n into n, it becomes 2n square, then 2n into 2, so it becomes 4n, then with the 1 we have to multiply to each of the term, 1 into n is n and 1 into 2 is 2, the whole upon, here again multiply 3, so x raised to 6n plus 3, and here multiply n inside, it becomes 2n square plus n. Okay, now these are the denominators are same, base are same, and it is multiplication, so add all those powers. So x raised to power, add the powers with the same variable. So this is 2n square, it is nowhere 2n square, it is alone, so write 2n square plus, then with the n term, see this is 2, 2n, 4n and n, so 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7n, and plus 3 plus 2 is 5, this 3 and this 2 is 5, the whole upon, this is 2n square here, Then 6 like terms are 6n and n, so that becomes 7n, and 3 is alone. Okay, now you will subtract this power, so it becomes x raised to 2n square plus 7n plus 5 minus 2n square plus 7n plus 3. Now this minus will go inside, so all these terms will become negative. So it will be plus 2n square minus 2n square will get cancelled, plus 7n minus 7n will get cancelled. So what is remaining is 5, and plus minus is minus 3. So the answer becomes x square. That is the answer. Okay. The next one is a raised to 7 plus 2n. Similarly, you have to do it here. A raised to 7 plus 2n into a raised to 3 to the is 6n plus 4 the whole upon a raised to 8n plus 4 3 the is 12. Okay. Add the powers. A raised to like terms 6 plus 2 is 8n, 7 plus 4 is 11 upon a raised to 8n plus 12. Now you can see the denominator is having the greater power, so this numerator power will come down, so it will become, this will become 1 upon a raised to 8n plus 12 minus 8n plus 11. So this becomes 1 upon, this minus sign will go inside, so plus 8n minus 8n will get cancelled. So what is remaining is 12 minus 11. So 12 minus 11 is 1, and a raised to 1 means 1 upon a only. So a raised to 1 here, that is a raised to 1 is a, and this is 1 upon a. Question 14 is evaluate. So this you can see the power is 1 by 4 outside the bracket. So split this number in the power of 4. So this becomes 2 raised to 4 upon 5 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4. Multiply this 1 by 4 to each of the terms. So it will be 2 raised to 4 into 1 by 4 upon 5 raised to 4 into 1 by 4. So that 4 get cancelled. The answer is 2 upon 5. Okay. For this one similarly it is 1 by 4. So 81 means 3 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 4 raised to minus 1 by 4. So that becomes 3 raised to 4 into minus 1 by 4 upon 2 raised to 4 into minus 1 by 4. So that becomes 3 upon 3 raised to minus 1 and 2 raised to minus 1. So it will be 2 upon 3. So that is the answer. Okay. Now the next one. Okay, 64. You can see the power here is 3 at the outside the bracket. So split this number in the power of 3. That will be 4 cube. 4 cube raised to 2 by 3. Now I have told you this is called as the cube root. So this will be cube root, and 25. Cube root means 1 upon 3. So 125 split to the power of 3. So 5 raised to 3 is 125, and this is 1 by 3. Any number raised to 0 means 1. This is negative power, so write its inverse, so it becomes 2 raised to 5. Here 27, the outside power is 3 here in the denominator, so split it with the number having 3 power and minus 2 by 3. And this one is 5 square upon 3 square raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now you can see this 3 get cancelled here. Here this 3 get cancelled. Here this 3 get cancelled, and this one. Okay. And these 2 with both these numbers will get cancelled. Here also these 2 will get cancelled. Okay. So you have to write here the remaining is 4 square plus 5 raised to 1 plus 1 plus 2 raised to 5 plus 3 raised to minus 2 into 5 upon 3 raised to minus 1. So that becomes 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 32, and this will be 1 upon 3 square, and right its inverse is 3 by 5. Okay. Now this 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 32, that total counts out to be 54. So this becomes 54 plus, and do this cancellation, this 3 get cancelled here, this 3 and one of the 3 from here get cancelled, so it will remain 1 by 15. So whenever this is a type of mixed fraction, so whenever there is plus, you can remove the plus and write the answer as 54 1 by 15. If you solve this by taking the LCM, you will get the same answer. So this is applicable for plus only, when it is plus in between, not for minus. Okay. This one is, next one is okay, 81. 81 means 3 raised to 4 raised to minus 1 into 3 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to 9 into, this is 5 by 6 plus 64, split 64 to the power 6, that becomes 2 raised to 6 raised to 5 by 6, and this will be 3 raised to, this is cube root, so 1 upon 3 raised to 6. So now this becomes 3 raised to minus 4 into 3 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to 9. The 6 get cancelled here. This one, the 6 get cancelled, and this becomes 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay. So this is 2 raised to 5 into 3 square. Now the one which is having base as 3, you can add all the powers of that. So this becomes 3 raised to minus 4 plus minus 5 plus 9 plus 2 and multiply by 2 raised to 5. So this becomes here minus 4 plus minus minus, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, plus 9 is 0. The remaining is 3 square into 2 raised to 5, that becomes 9 into 32. So that gives the answer as, so the answer is 288. This is the answer. So this one, y cube upon x raised to 1 by 2 into y upon x raised to 1 by 2. So this becomes here y raised to 3 by 2 upon x raised to 1 by 2 into y raised to 1 by 2 upon x raised to 1 by 2. So this becomes y raised to, now this is base is same and it is multiplication, so power will get add 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this becomes y raised to 4 by 2 upon x raised to 2 by 2. So this get cancelled, y raised to 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 upon x raised to 1 means x. So that is the answer. Now here you have to find the value of x. Now you can see this is equal to here, and on one side of equal to it is divide, on other side it is multiplication. So for division you have to subtract the power, for multiplication you have to add these powers. The base are same, you can see the base are same here. Okay. So this becomes minus 3 by 11 x plus 5 plus minus 2x plus 3. Whenever you are writing the second bracket, always you have to write in the bracket. Then here x upon 3 by 11 minus 3 by 11, then it is 2x minus 5 first, and this one, this becomes minus plus of, sorry, this was minus here since it is division, and this is multiplication, so this is plus, and in the bracket you have to write this one that is minus 2 bracket x plus 4 bracket close. So this becomes minus 3 upon 11. This is x plus 5 minus minus plus 2x plus minus minus 3, and this becomes minus 3 by 11. So 2x minus 5. Now this becomes, this is outside the bracket, so multiply minus 2 inside the bracket. So this is minus 2x and minus and plus minus, so minus 2x, and this is minus 8 plus minus is minus 8. Okay, now here you have to see that if there is equal to and you are having a single term on both the sides and their denominator is same, then the denominator get cancelled. So only remaining thing is the power here. So x plus 5 plus 2x minus 3. So power gets equal if the denominator are same. So this becomes 2x minus 5 minus 2x minus 8. So in this case here minus 2x and plus 2x will get cancelled. Okay, so this becomes this is 2 plus like terms, 2 plus 1 is 3x, 5 minus 3 is plus 2, then this is minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13 here. Now you have to find the value of x, solve the equation. So this becomes 3x equal to minus 13 minus 2, so that becomes 3x equal to minus 15. So x equal to minus 15 upon 3, so x equal to minus 5 is the answer. Okay, the next one is similarly, so this one, the base are same here, you can see. So this is power to the power to the power, 3 times the power is there. So whatever you can multiply, first multiply that. So it is 2 upon 5. This is 4 2s are 8 and this bracket 8 and x plus 2 equal to 2 raised 2 upon 5. This is minus 2 and minus 3. 3 2s are 6. Minus minus becomes plus 6 x minus 1. So now you can see the base are same, okay, and the power gets equal. So this becomes okay. This becomes 8 x plus 2 equal to 6 x minus 1. So this is 8x plus 16 equal to 6x minus 6. Bring the like terms together. 8x minus 6x equal to minus 60 minus 6 and minus 16. This plus 16 will go to this side. Okay. So this becomes 2x equal to minus 22. So that will be x equal to minus 22 upon 2. So x equal to minus 11 is the answer. Question 16 is simplify. Now you can see there is monomial and there is only one power. So first multiply these two powers. So it becomes 2 raised to 2 minus p raised to minus 1 q square r the whole raised to 3 2s is 6 and it is minus, so minus 6. So that minus 6 now will go to each of the term inside the bracket. So it will become 2 raised to minus 6, p raised to minus 1 raised to minus 6, then q square raised to minus 6, then r raised to minus 6. So it becomes 2 raised to minus 6, p raised to plus minus minus, so it will become 6, q raised to minus 12 and r raised to minus 6. Now the one which is having negative power, you have to write its inverse, and the one which is positive will remain to the numerator. So p raised to 6 upon 2 raised to 6, q raised to 12 and r raised to 6. So 2 raised to 6 means write its number 2 into 2 into 2. So it becomes how much? 2 raised to 6 is 64, q raised to 12 and r raised to 6. So this is the answer. Okay. The next one is last one. So this is take the power to each of the term inside the bracket. So this becomes 3 square p square raised to square q square r raised to minus 2 raised to 2, the whole upon 2 square p raised to minus 1 the whole square q raised to 3 the whole square, and this is divided and the power is inverse, so it will become 1 upon 2 raised to p raised to 3 raised to into r. Okay, so now this becomes 3 square is 9 p raised to 4 q square r raised to minus 4 upon 4 p raised to minus 2 q raised to 6. Now since it's a division, so write its multiplication, so again this will get inverse, so 2 p raised to 3 and r. Now this is in the numerator. Now see, in the numerator it is p and p, so this power will get add. Okay, so this becomes 9 2s is 18 p raised to 4 plus 3 then q square and r raised to minus 4 plus 1 the whole upon 4 raised to p raised to minus 2 q raised to 6. So this becomes now 18 p raised to 7 q square r raised to minus 3 the whole upon 4 p raised to minus 2 and q raised to 6. Now cancel the number, that becomes 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. Okay, so this becomes now, and the one with the same power that will get subtract because it is division. So this becomes here 9 p raised to 7 minus of minus 2, then r is having single term and it is having power negative, so it will come down. So 2 raised to, this is q is having power, greater power in the denominator, so it will be 6 minus 2 and r raised to 3. So this becomes now 9 p raised to 7 plus 2 is 9 upon 2 raised to 2 q raised to 6 minus 2 is 4 and r q. So this is the answer. Okay, so this was all about lesson 2 exponents and powers for ICSE board. So that's all for now. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Get the Math. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.